Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about one of the very important functionality within the Excel sheet, and that is called Format Painter. So here you can see within Home tab, we have a clipboard, and within clipboard we have a multiple functionality like cut, copy, paste, and formatter. So we have already seen about the copy, paste, and cut in the previous video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we'll cover Format Painter. So here you can see I have a table, right? And in this table I have applied various formatting, right, on header section, this row where I have given the name of this table, employee details of computer department, and here basically computer department employees having a ID, name, age, city, and salary. Here you can see all the columns, right? I have applied the different formatting, and here even whatever data you see in this table, I have applied a various basically format. So what I want to create another table with the same formatting, right? And that's where we can make use of Format Painter. So here, let's say I want to create another table in the same sheet or different sheet with the same formatting to be applied. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this entire table, and I'll click on the Format Painter, and simply wherever you want to create a table with the same format, just you need to click over here. So here you can see I have created another table with the same format. Yeah, so I'm going to undo this one, and this was the first trick. Let's say I want to apply format column by column or rows by rows. Let's say I want to apply formatting for this row. So just simply I have selected this row, I clicked on the Format Painter, and I click over here. So here you can see I have created a row with the first this which is equivalent to this row, and let's say even cell by cell you can select the format that I would like to explain over here. So I selected ID, and again I clicked on the Format Painter, and if I click over here, then here you can see you can basically copy formatting cell by cell as well, right? Now let's move ahead, and now here you can see in another tab I have a finance department employee details, and here I haven't applied any format yet. So what I want to apply same formatting on this table where already data is available. So what I'll do, I'll select this table and click on Format Painter. I'll go to this tab, and here I'm going to select entire table, and you'll see this formatting will be applied automatically. Sorry, yeah. So this tab, so simply you will have to click Format Painter and select over here, and you'll see this got applied to the entire table. Yeah, so that's all I have in this video tutorial. I hope you understood how to make use of Format Painter. If you like this video, then hit on the like button. Guys, big thank you for all the supports, and see you there in the next video tutorial.